Good morning, everyone. Let me continue the concept of binomial distribution. 10th problem. I am going to share 10th problem on the board. You just observe that one clearly. Initially, read that one. What has been given to you? Observe the 10th problem on the screen. A person buys a lottery ticket in 50 lotteries, right? In each of which his chance of winning a prize is 1 by 100. That means n is equals to 10th problem. N is equals to 50. Small p, probability of winning lottery. P is equals to 1 by 100. Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 100 is equal to 99 by 100. Therefore, he asked you to find out the first problem at least once, means P of x greater than or equal to 1, as n is equals to 50. N is equal to 50. At least 1 means x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2 plus and so on. X is equal to 50 you should do. So it becomes a very lengthy problem to do. Hence, we are going to do this one as 1 minus P of x less than 1, which is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 is nothing but 50 C naught, okay, into q to the power of 99 by 100 to the power of q to the power of 50 into p to the power of 0. That means which you are going to get it as 1 minus 50 C naught value is equals to 1. 99 by 100 whole to the power of 50 is the answer, right? And the second problem, it has been given as second problem exactly once. That means second problem, it has been given P of x is equal to 1 is equal to 50 C naught 50 C1 into q to the power of 50 minus 1 into p to the power of 1. Simplifying this, you are going to get answer. Now, at least twice. So, copy these two first of all. Afterwards, I will do the third problem. I am repeating the problem which is on the board. While you are copying, I am going to repeat it. Observe that one. N is equals to 50. That means there are 50 lotteries given to you. So n value is equal to 50. Probability of winning lottery, small p is equals to 1 by 100 given to you. Therefore, small q is equals to 1 minus p, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 100. Okay, which is equal to 99 by 100. At least once P of x greater than or equal to 1 is equals to 1 minus P of x less than 1. So 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. So 1 minus 50 C naught into q to the power of 50 into p to the power of 0. So 1 minus 99 by 100 to the power of 50. So he asked you the next problem as at least once. So P of x is equal to 1. 50 C1 into 99 by 100 to the power of 49 into 1 by 100 to the power of 1. Simplifying that, you are going to get the answer. Copy those two. And in the next problem, he has given you P of x is the third problem. He has given you P of x is equal to is at least twice is greater than or equal to 2, which is equal to 1 minus P of x is less than 2, which implies 1 minus P of x is equals to 0 plus P of x is equals to 1. Now we are going to get 1 minus P of x is equal to 0, 50 C naught into 99 by 100 whole to the power of 50 into 1 by 100 to the power of 0 plus 50 C1 into 99 by 100 whole power 49 into 1 by 100 to the power of 1. Simplifying this, you are going to get the answer. Copy this one. I am repeating. He asked you to find out the probability of getting at least two members, at least twice. At least twice means P of x greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2 means 1 minus P of x less than 2. P of x less than 2 means P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equals to 1. So P of x is equal to 0 value is this, P of x is equal to 1 value is this. Same formula, NCK into Q to the power of N minus K into P to the power of K. Copy that one. I am going to share the next problem on the board. 12th problem. Sorry, 11th problem. Eleventh problem. Observe what has been given to you in the 11th one. See that 11th problem on the screen. 11th problem. Find the probability of getting 5 exactly twice in 7th rows of a die. Means 7th rows of a die means the die has been thrown 7 times, right? So n value is equals to 7. N value is equal to 7. Write down n is equals to 7 and what has been given as P. Observe probability of getting 5. N is equal, 11th problem. A die is thrown 7 times, implies N is equal to 7. Right? Probability of getting 5, P is equals to 1 by 6. Why? Because the number 5 will be only one out of 6 outcomes. So 1 by 6 implies Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. Therefore, he asked you to find out exactly twice P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 7C2 into Q 5 by 6 to the power of 7 minus 2 into P to the power of 2. Simplifying this, you are going to get the answer. What is the value of 7C2? Observe, 7C2 is equal to 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 21. 21 into 5 by 6 to the power of 5 into 1 upon 36. Simplify this one, you are going to get. Otherwise, you can keep as it is. Copy that problem. Observe that 8th problem on the screen. Sorry, 12th problem. Copy this one slowly. Find the probability of throwing at most 2 sixes in 6 throws of a single die. N is equal to 6. A die has thrown 6 times. N is equal to 6. Right? Now, at most 2 sixes. Probability of getting 6. Small p is equal to 1 by 6. Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. Now, at most two sixes. P of x less than or equal to 2, which is equals to P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. At most 2 means x is equal to 1, P of x is equal to 0. You should get P of x is equal to 0 value, which is equal to 6C naught into Q to the power of 6 into P to the power of 0 plus 6C1 into Q to the power of 6 minus 1 into P to the power of 1 plus 6C2 into 5 by 6 to the power of 4, 1 by 6 to the power of 2. Simplify this one, you are going to get answer. 6C naught value is equal to 1. That means you are going to get 5 by 6 to the power of 6 plus 6C1 is equal to 6 into 5 to the power of 5 by 6 to the power of 6 plus 6C2 value 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 15 into 5 to the power of 4 by 6 to the power of 6. Now you can take 6 to the power of 6 outside and you can add entire, or you can take 5 by 6 to the power of 4 outside, because that is the least. Okay, so you are going to get 5 square by 6 square plus 5 by 6 square into 6. That means you are going to get 5 by 6, right? Plus 15 by 6 square. Simplify this, you are going to get answer. Or else keep up to this one, it is enough. Now the 13th problem. See the 13th problem on the screen. That means the final answer which you should get this one as, after this step, you should get 5 by 6 to the power of 4 into 35 by 18. Now see that 13th problem. 13th problem on the screen. It is known that 10% of a certain articles manufactured are defective. What is the probability that in a random sample of 12 such articles, 9 are defective? Number of articles are 13. Sorry, n is equals to 12 articles are there, right? Now, probability of defective articles, right? Small p is equal to 10% is equal to 1 by 10, right? Q is equal to 1 minus p is equal to 9 by 10. Therefore, P of X is equal to 9. 9 are defective, he asked me, which is equals to 12C9 into Q to the power of 12 minus 9 into P to the power of 9. So 12C9 value is equals to 12C9 is equal to 12C3 into 9 by 10 to the power of 3 into 1 by 10 to the power of 9. Simplifying this, you are going to get answer. Copy this one. Twelve C3 value 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So it becomes 220 into 9 to the power of 3 by 10 to the power of 12. Here 9, here 3. This is the answer which you should get. Copy that one. In a box containing 100 bulbs, 10 are defective, means he has given you probability of defective bulbs. P is equals to 1 by 10, means 10 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10. The probability that out of sample of 5 bulbs, that means n is equals to 5. That means given is equal to n. Now, probability of defective bulbs, P is equal to 1 by 10. Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 9 by 10. Now, none of them is defective. P of x is equals to 0. 5 C naught into Q to the power of 5 minus 0 into P to the power of 0. 5 C naught value is equals to 1. 9 to the power of 5 by 10 to the power of 5. Or 9 by 5, 9 by 10 to the power of 5 is the answer. Third option given to you. Problem number 15. The last problem. The probability that a student is not a swimmer is 1 by 5, means Q is equals to 1 by 5. Probability of failure is equal to Q now. Therefore, Q is equals to 1 by 5. P is equals to 1 minus Q, which is equals to 4 by 5. Okay. Then the probability that out of 5 students, 15th problem, given number of students, n is equals to 5, probability of not a swimmer, Q is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, P is equal to 1 minus Q is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, 4 are swimmers. P of x is equal to 4. 5C4 into Q to the power of 5 minus 4 into P to the power of 4. Copy this one. I hope it has been given directly. Capital A is the answer. Now, with this total exercise has been completed, there are some examples concerned to this one. There are some examples concerned to this exercise. You ought to do that one also. So, We are copy this one slowly. We are going to share the examples. Yes, example. You just see that example number 32 on the screen. See that example number 32 on the screen. 10x are drawn successively. 10x are drawn means n value is equal to 10, right? From a lot containing 10% defective, probability that there is at least one defective egg. Number of eggs given to you. Example 32. Number of eggs, n is equals to 10, right? Out of 10, how many are defective given to you? Observe. Out of 10, 10% are defective. That means P is equals to probability of defective X. Probability of defective X. 10 by 100, 10% na, it is 1 by 10. Q is equals to 1 minus P is equals to 9 by 10. Therefore, P of X greater than or equal to 1. At least 1 is defective, which is equals to. And greater than or equal to 1 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on up to 10 you should do. So the problem becomes very lengthy. So what I am going to say, 1 minus P of X less than 1, which is equals to 1 minus P of X less than 1 value is only 0, right? So 1 minus P of X is equal to 0. 10 C naught into Q to the power of means 9 by 10 to the power of 10. Okay, into P to the power of 1 by 10 to the power of 0. Okay, now the answer is 1 minus 9 by 10 whole power 10. Copy this one. Slowly, copy that one slowly. So you do in your NCERT, you do some more examples. Tomorrow I am going to start the objective of probability from conditional probability, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.